Hello family, greetings to you all and welcome back to my channel. It's your brother Chief Lamashao Yepal Suwulana, sending my peaceful and lovely greetings to you all from Tamale, the northern part of Ghana. How are you doing and how is our families at your side doing? Okay family, so first of all, I'm gonna say sorry for the noise. There is some winds blowing here today, so that's why you'll be hearing this noise in the background of the video. Okay, so family, I'm going to continue to share with you whatever we are doing at Queen's Guest Palace as we are getting closer and closer to the completion of the project. So before I continue with this information, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new and click on the notifications bell so that you always get notifications when I post new videos. Share my contents with your families and friends and go ahead and do what? Gives my video a thumbs up. That is like my videos. Alright, so family, once again, how are you all doing and how is our families at your side doing? Alright, so in today's video, I'm gonna share with you about the new idea that I got that I think is very useful. Instead of designing the windows, the aluminium windows with concrete, I decided to design it with the ceramic wall tiles, and this is what I have planned, and that is the same plan that I share with my tilers who are still working on it. So this is how they design it. Yeah, this is how they're gonna design all the windows, the frames to the windows. I'm just gonna make sure that they do it well and add some more beauty to the house. So as you can see, this is exactly what is going on. For the past 2 days or so, for the past few days, I've not been feeling well. I've not been feeling well at all. At least I think it's due to tiredness. So I just take my time to rest. So I find it important to share this information with you because when people see this, they might like to do their windows like that, especially people who are into building. Even when you already complete your house, you put on your paint and everything. That is when you paint your house or everything, you can still decide to do it this way, and that will beautify your house. So we are still working and just getting closer to the completion of the project. So that is exactly what we are doing. So all of these places will be cleaned, and then we'll make concrete flooring on this place, and then the wall will also be plastered. So we still have some things to do, but I'm focused so much on the inside of the guest house. So now the inside of the guest house is almost like 90% or 95% completed. So I'm focused on the wall as well as the windows now, because now when the windows is done like this, all what is left will be painting. So that is exactly what we are doing. So all of these places will be cleaned, and all of these concrete designs will be painted. Some people use different colors to paint the designs, that's the concrete designs, and then some people also use just one paint to paint it. So I'm still planning on what to do. So when I go into the corner, you will see my men busily working. So that's what Master Muhammad and his men is doing. It's like the rain is coming. We are lucky to have some small rainfall today because the rainy season is getting closer and closer. Deep shallow you summer. Our toe, what me when I the Viala Cachi? So I went to the Marbian Pong. So that is Master Fatal. You can remember him in the last video that I shared. So I got that from my Takurumayu. So the smaller windows are windows to the bathrooms. So these are the windows to the bathrooms, and the bigger ones is for the guest rooms. So that's why you see some windows to be smaller and there's some windows to be bigger. Okay, so the rain is coming. The rain is coming, so I have to go. I have to go. So you see what the guys has did. This is real professional craftsmanship. This is real professional craftsmanship. Everything that these guys is doing, they are doing it with all their with all their knowledge. So that is real professional craftsmanship. So we've had our first rain for the year, and it's our first rain for the year is on the 1st of March 2022. May this rainfall bring us full of happiness, joy, prosperity, blessings, protection, and above all, may the Almighty God protect us from all kind of harm from these rains and from all kind of troubles that these rains will cause us. This is my prayer for the rains that we're gonna have this year. So as you can see, all the water that is falling on the compound is coming straight to the drainage. Now you can see, and it's going out. So that is what I was explaining in the other video. Aya, you clean up my phone. So very soon I'm gonna start to store water into my cistern once again. That's the rainwater harvest. So that's our first rainfall for the year. And I finally got one of my men to clean the drainage.